Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day, and I just want to make a quick little video and show you how I mix 2 fertilizers in 1 hopper. Now, I'm not going to get into detail on what the analysis are and all that and what I'm doing with it, because as soon as I do, somebody's going to take it and go out and put it on their yard and screw something up. I'm doing this for my specific circumstance, but I just want to take this chance to make a video to show you how I mix the 2. So I've got fertilizer 1 and fertilizer 2, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of each down here in the bottom, and I'm going to take a spatula. You can use whatever you want to use, your hand, a shovel, it doesn't matter. I'm going to mix them up real good, and then I'm going to continuously put fertilizer 1 and 2, about the same amount of each, and each time I put them in there, I'm going to stir them up and mix them so that they're equally distributed among themselves. I guess that's the way you say that. Of course, I like using a little spatula because I can get way down in the corner right there and drag that little bit out. I'll go one way, then go the other way. So once I think that's mixed pretty good, and I'll do it again. So there you go. Now I've got it mixed up as even as I can get it. And again, it's a very, very rare circumstance that I even do this. Hope this helps, and we will check you later.